This episode of Neurotic Nuckols' New and Nifty Math Minutes is going to teach you how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators.
Our first fraction is 1/2 minus 2/8. And as you learned from adding fractions with unlike denominators, you're going to do the same technique to subtract. You have got to get the denominators to be the same number. And the first thing you ask yourself is, are these numbers in a relationship? That meaning one of the numbers is a factor of the other, and the other number is a multiple of the other. In this case, 2 is a factor of 8 because it will divide evenly into 8 4 times. 8 is a multiple of 2 because if you multiply 2 times 4, it equals 8. So these numbers are definitely in a relationship. When our numbers are in a relationship, that means the fraction that has the larger number in the denominator gets to stay the same. So I'll copy it down below, 2/8, and there's no other work that needs to be done to that. The next thing I ask myself is, what do I do to a 2 to make it become an 8? If I multiply 2 times 4, and I multiply the numerator by 4 as well, I will have an equivalent fraction that will allow me to subtract. 1 times 4 is 4, that's my new numerator, and 2 times 4 is 8, that is my new denominator. Now I have something I can subtract. 4 minus 2 equals 2, and my denominator stays the same. I now have to determine if my fraction can be simplified. Since 2 is a factor of 8, and it's also a factor of itself, this fraction can be simplified. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So my final answer is 1/4. 1/2 minus 2/8 equals 1/4.